Googleberry's attacking me right now. And oh, he's biting me really hard. Hi, Sydney, come join me. Oh, now Sydney's biting me. Help. Sydney. He's just holding on. Oh. Oh. Yes. I know. Googleberry, what are you doing? Oh, why are you biting me? It's biting me hard. And biting me very hard. He's mad because I don't hold him. And I don't hold him because he bites me. I used to hold him all the time. And he's pulling on my sleeve. So shaking the camera. Oh, Sydney. Look. He's got my sleeve. Oh. It's crazy. Oh, and Baby Joe's biting my foot. And there's Kookaburra crazy. Just bit me real hard so many times, and now he's trying to bite me again. Look, he's gonna try to bite me. Look. Ow! Ow! Hello, that's not funny. That's not funny. It's not nice. Okay, goodbye.